Hello everyone, how are you today? Now we will start our lesson chapter 9, pie chart, and welcome to our class. Okay, before we study, we need to know the objective of pie chart, expectation and outcome. Read and interpret pie chart. Use pie chart to represent objective. Use the data from the pie charts. Understand the usage of the pie chart. And before we start our lesson, we need to review. Percentage equal number of data multiplied by 100% divided by total of the data. Number of data equal the percentage multiplied by total of data, and total of data equal the number of data multiplied by 100 divided by percentage. Okay, now you know all the formula that I review for all of you. Okay, now open workbook on page 25. Example 1. The pie chart shows how Henry spends his monthly salary. Henry spent $360 on transport. A. What percentage of his salary does Henry spend on transport? B. How much does he spend on rent? C. How much does he spend on rent more than food? Okay, this is our picture of monthly salary of Henry. Okay, A. Find the percentage of his salary that he spent on transport. Everyone know all for whole of the pie chart equal 100%. So we got that 100% minus Henry's rent, food, and saving. And then we got 100% minus 35% minus 30% minus 15% equal 20%. Letter B. Find money he spent on rent. Okay, you know all of the for transportation. We have money $360. So we need to find 1%. We got $360 divided by 20 equal $18. So we got that 1% equal $18. Okay, we know 1%, so we can find 35% equal $18 multiplied by 35 equal $630. Let us see. Find money he spent on rent more than on food. Okay, we have that for 35 minus 30 equal 5%. So we got that 1% equal $18, and so we can find 5% equal $18 multiplied by 5 equal $90. So the money that he spent on rent more than food equal $90. Okay, now open workbook on page 76. The pie chart shows the mass of the sum item in the hamper. The mass of the biscuit is 240 grams. The mass of the nuts is the same as the mass of the drinks. A. What fraction is the mass of the chocolate to the total mass? B. What is the mass of the chocolates? C. What is the ratio of the mass of the biscuits to the mass of the chocolate? Okay, this is our picture that show about nuts, drink, biscuit, and chocolate. Okay, letter A. Find the fraction of the total mass of the item is the mass of chocolate. You know how whole of the pie chart equal 1. So we got that 1 minus nut minus drink minus biscuit. And then we got 1 minus 1 out of 3 minus 1 out of 3 minus 1 out of 4 equal 1 minus 4 out of 12, minus 4 out of 12, minus 3 out of 12, because we find the common denominator equal 12, and then we minus 1 minus 4, and then we got that 12 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 equal 1. Okay, B, find the mass of chocolate. So we got that 1 out of 4 equal what? We find the mass of chocolate, we got 3. So we got that multiplied by 3, and then 4 multiplied by 3 equal 12. So we got that 3 out of 12 of the total mass equal 240 gram. 1 out of 12 of the total mass equal 240 divided by 3 equal 80 gram. And then C, find the ratio of the mass of the biscuits to the mass of the chocolate. So we got that mass of the biscuit equal 240, and then mass of chocolate equal 80. So we simplify it, we divide with 80 equal 3, and then we divide with 80 equal 1. Okay, thank you for paying attention. Goodbye.